Hi friends, in today's video we are going to see how Power BI can be a useful tool to business analysts. Power BI is one of the top tools used for data visualization. It helps in business analysis by assisting in quick decision making, and it also supports real-time tiles. So today let us see how to get live data from a website. In the Home tab of Power BI, select Get Data, and here you'll find many options. So today I'm selecting web option since we are going to use live data. Now it's asking for a URL. So I've used a website called moneycontrol.com, which shows live data of share markets, mutual funds, and so on. We have small tables created here, which are live data, and I'm going to use the most active table for our Power BI. So I'm going to copy the URL of this site and paste the URL in our Power BI and click OK. Let's wait for the data to get loaded. Now here I get a list of tables from the site in our navigator. I'm going to select table 2, which is the most active companies table, and I'll click on load. So once the table gets loaded, all the fields get displayed. So for analysis, I'm going to select stacked column chart from visualizations. Then I'm going to select company field and price field from that table that we have selected. Now you can see I've got a graph with the price for each company, and you can see the exact price of the company on each bar. So next I'll go to View tab, open the drop down menu and select Customize Current Theme. Then I'll go to Text, change the font to 20 and click on Apply. So as you see, the font size of the company is enlarged. Now select your graph and click on Format icon in the visualization pane. You can see that the data labels would be in off state. So you can turn on data labels. So now you'll see the price will be displayed above the bar of each company. Since we are using live data, if there are any changes in the website, the data in Power BI will automatically get refreshed. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and keep yourself updated.